Hold your Belly Bandit belly wrap in both hands and center it in the middle of your back. Wrap the band so that it feels comfortable and fits snugly, closing securely. You can adjust the belly wrap to a comfortable position. Your belly wrap will cover your belly, waist, and hips. If your belly wrap is 3 to 5 inches from closing, it's too small and you will need to go a size up. Or you can purchase the extender. If your belly wrap is only 1 to 2.5 inches from closing, wait a day or two and try again. In most cases, it will fit and you will not need to exchange it for a larger size. Some women find that lying on a flat surface makes closing the belly wrap easier. If your belly wrap surpasses the Velcro closure, it's too big and will not provide maximum compression. You will need to order a size smaller. Here's an example of an optimal fit, as you will have 5 to 7 inches of adjustability. You are wearing the Belly Bandit belly wrap correctly. Still not sure what size belly wrap to purchase? The extender gives you up to 9 inches of additional adjustability. Simply adhere the extender to the belly wrap and you're good to go. So feel free to size down. No need to worry about purchasing a belly wrap that's too small.